Hello, I'm Hyemin, and I'm studying transportation engineering at Texas A&M University. Today, my topic is about the distribution of benefits and tax burdens from transit subsidy among income classes and residential areas. The study area is Busan Metropolitan City in South Korea. When I was in master course in South Korea, many complaints about increasing transit fare were treated by media and news clips. So I wondered what is the real problem in this situation. As we can see here, from 2015 to 18, the subsidy ratio over the transit agency's operational cost is around 20 to 24%. I wondered who is getting these benefits. Actually, subsidy support for transit agencies is necessary because the fare revenue is not enough to compensate the whole operational costs. From the perspective of individual unit, this problem can be described as a figure here. The fare paid by each traveler is smaller than the cost the traveler generated. This gap is supported by subsidies from government. However, while transit users are getting these benefits, they are simultaneously paying taxes to support this subsidy policy. Therefore, I wanted to check who are getting more and who are paying more. This study examined the distribution of the net benefit considering both benefits and tax burdens. The study area is the secondly largest city in South Korea from perspective of population. In the US, Chicago has similar size of area, population, and the population density. According to the latest travel survey data, the transit modal split in this city is around 35%, with around $1.1 to $1.2 of transit fare per trip. It is the information as of 2016, which is a study year. Until now, transit fare has increased 2 times, but it's still around $1.3 per trip. In this study, the main data was the travel survey data collected by Korean Transportation Institute in 2016, which was the latest data set. And this study classified households into 3 regional areas and 4 income groups. And 6 income groups in travel survey data is merged into 4 groups to avoid the problems that can be generated by small size of samples. So this study analyzed different annual subsidy benefit and tax burdens per household based on income level and residential area so that the net benefit could be calculated. For more detailed methodology and results, please refer the paper. And given both of the benefit and taxes, the net benefit was higher among lower income group and the middle and outer area. From the perspective of policy, this subsidy policy has progressive impact in that lower income group get bigger net benefit. However, it is necessary to think about if it's reasonable to support longer trips than shorter trips. In other words, we need to think if the government need to support people in the middle area and outer area more than the people in the inner area. Therefore, through this study, I want to suggest to consider strengthening distance-based fees so that each traveler can get even benefit per trip than now. In addition, one interesting point is found in this study. When trips are classified into 3 categories: bus only, subway only, and mixed trip, which includes both subway and bus, the fare by cost ratio is really different. Trip with only bus get the cost almost 100% back from fare revenue. However, in the subway and the mixed trip, it was around only 33%. Therefore, to decrease annual deficits, increasing the fare for subway trips and mixed trip will be effective. Thank you for listening, and if you have any questions, please contact me.